Hi, Steve here for 340 Media, and in this video I'm going to give you a short overview of the Canix Customizer options. So jumping straight in with our Canix layout settings, we configure all our basic settings here, and we have 4 post types: list, grid, masonry and classic. And we can apply that to homepage and archive. We can toggle the sidebar on the homepage, archive and pages. We also configure our global metadata settings here, so we can choose to toggle category meta, read time, date meta. All those are configured here and they are applied on all archive views. Onto single post settings. As with archive, we can toggle all our metadata. We also have some single specific settings here. We can display author bio, enable or disable drop caps, and as part of the Canix plugin bundle, we can toggle social media share icons and choose a location, top, bottom or both. We also configure our related item settings here. We choose a title, number of posts you want to display, and you can choose the relationship method. We can relate posts by tags or we can relate posts by category. Onto the social media settings. We have several social media channels here. Simply enter your full URLs, and these are used in various areas throughout the site. We'll see them here in the footer. You'll also see them being used in widget areas. Onto the footer settings. We can enter our footer text or a copyright, and we can toggle social media icons and enable or disable our back to top link. Onto the slide out sidebar settings, we can toggle the logo and we can toggle social media icons. Also, if you choose, you can duplicate the primary menu in the slide out sidebar. Onto color and font settings. I've done a separate video on how to change the color scheme in Canix, so be sure to check that one out. But we'll have a quick look at this. We have 5 primary theme colors, which are applied globally throughout the theme. And we also have full control over the coloring of these panels. So we can set the text, the background colors of elements, the transparencies. And as part of version 1.2, we now have a couple of font options. I've now added Roboto and I've now added Poppins to the font list. The custom post display locations, we have 3 in total. We have before content, we have another one after content, and another before category. And if you choose, these can also be activated as carousels. We'll take a quick look at those. So we can enable or disable these. We can choose a title, and we can choose a post type: recent, popular and featured. Our featured post is part of the Canix plugin bundle. We can also choose to display posts from a category, and you can use these in combination with the post type to filter the posts even more. Or if you choose, as I've done here, you can enter a specific post IDs separated by commas. And of course we can toggle the entry meta for all these displays. Finally, onto the featured area settings. As of version 1.2, we now have a new version. We have default, and the new version is cover. And as with our carousels, we can choose recent, popular and featured, filter by category, or enter specific post IDs. And of course we can toggle the entry meta on and off, comment count, category meta, and if you want to, you can enable or disable excerpts. Well, I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for checking out Canix.